Hello and welcome to this new video. Today, we're going to talk about an amazing website that anyone working in digital content creation should definitely know about. This platform is called Simplified, and it brings together a variety of AI-powered tools in one place to make your work easier and faster. I've left the link in the description below. Check it out for yourself. So, what makes this website special? First of all, the interface is super simple and user-friendly. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can easily navigate and use it without needing to learn anything complicated. Secondly, it provides a wide range of tools that help you save time and work more professionally. Whether you're a content creator, YouTuber, TikToker, Reels maker, a digital marketer, here are some of the main features. AI writing. You can generate blog articles, social media posts, headlines, product descriptions, professional emails, all in just a few seconds. Graphic design. Similar to Canva, but enhanced with AI. You can create ads, posts, stories, and even logos easily. Create engaging videos from short script. Convert your blog URLs into engaging videos. Repurpose videos. Add subtitles. Content scheduling. You can connect your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and schedule your content to be published automatically at the time you choose. Now, let me show you one of the most powerful tools in this platform, especially useful for anyone who creates written content, the AI article writer. How do you access it? From the homepage, go to the AI writer section. There, you'll find several writing tools, but the one we're using today is the article writer. This tool is amazing. All you need to do is give it a topic, and it will generate a full article for you, including an introduction, well-structured paragraphs, and a conclusion, all without breaking a sweat. For example, I'll type in the topic, "Best time to post Instagram Reels." Then we choose the language we want. You can choose English, Arabic, French. After that, we click on Generate, and the article will be ready in just a few seconds. You can then edit it however you like, change titles, colors, add images from the built-in library, or insert internal and external links. You have full freedom to customize the article. This tool really saves you a lot of time and effort and still gives you professional content. Whether you're working on blog posts, writing ebooks, or even creating long-form social media posts, you're going to love this tool. Once again, the link to the website is in the description. Try it out and see for yourself. That was our tutorial for today. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and share it with others who might benefit from it. See you in the next video. Hi.